𝐻𝐲 𝐷𝐒𝐿 demands handing over of unified command to Chief Minister 𝐁𝐕𝐈, warns of launching agitations if demand not fulfilled. Efforts on acclimatized sports versions of Manipur at 𝐍𝐕, say Yas Minister Govindas Konthoujam. And National Games fencing bronze medalist Nancy Rose felicitated at Kangabok. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window. I am CILINA 𝐶𝐬𝐯, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Asserting that the present crisis in the state can only be resolved when the unified command is handed over to Chief Minister 𝐁𝐕𝐈, Khwairamband Kaithel Nupi Lukmai Selup has warned of launching various forms of agitations if the same is not translated into actions. General Secretary of Lukmai Selup, Asem Nirmala, said this during a press meet at Manipur Press Club today. She also termed it commendable that security forces have now been able to discharge their duty in some areas of Tengnoupal district, including Moreh, after there had been no rule of law in the hills of Manipur for a long time. Stating that the people will laud the authority when a good deed is carried out, despite all the outcries against the system, she asserted that a resolute solution can be brought and normalcy in the state can only be restored when the unified command is handed over to Chief Minister 𝐁𝐕𝐈. As such, she demanded the same be translated into actions at the earliest or Lukmai Selup will launch various forms of agitations, as Asem Nirmala maintained.
Lengak Mapuni, Haiduna, Lauzagiba, Khumjagiba, Oiba Taragasu, Lengak Nakari, Matabakara, Tauri, Habase, Mami Karadi Uti, Moreda, STPO, and Lake Traba Matunda, Lengak, Lokalatiba, Kumtansing, Aduna, Nara, Moreda, Jacki, the Barilini, Habase, Mayan Same, like with the Kanzabakami. Warun Jakta Amu, Lengak, the Sukumtang, Lokalapuri Mami, Hazik May. Sengdoraki ukrulda ngarang makta da sunahan makta da suchura chabu da su mapam karanda popi destruction ekoi buzai ekoi na khanjari badi hojik article 355 ase ekoi gi CM da tasing maki thamabra unified command gi chairman se ekoi gi CM da tasing maki leitra bala leitre masi kuldif na oina paire haiba taragadi athuba matamada Lana se loishan na bagi kulai oina loge masi la je loishan na ba ohen ke haiba tata ragati ekoi CM se unified command chairman se ohen na ba ekoi gi khola oiba machali local ai step sing asida mangon da chairman di unified command chairman di power se leita ragati hena kongthang domangna angam bachang da local agadi athuba matam da lana se loishan ni haiba se ekoi gi wakal da chu thajai aduna Unified Command Chairman se Kuldip se Lauthok Piu, Kuldip Tagi Lauthoga, Ekoi CM the Sinapiu, have a say, Masi Ekoi Mian, Kolawam Henjaningi, Pain the Badi Laudiba, Lairatasu, Apapa Tapak Tora Agadi, Mase, good, thank you, have a say, Ming on the encouraged over have a say, Haunasani. Apapa Tapak Tora Pagidi, Mase Ekoi, thank you, I want to eat, Matuda Ekoi encouraged Toraga, Karama Monda, Karamai.
Works and Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Govindas Konthoujam paid a visit to 𝐺𝐕𝐈 district to take stock of developmental projects in the district yesterday. PHED Minister L. Susindro, General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh K. Sarat Kumar, MLA of 𝐺𝐕𝐈 Assembly Constituency Muhammad Achab Udin, Moirang MLA TH Shanti, Patsoi MLA Sapam Keba, Lamlai MLA Ibomcha and officials of the relevant departments accompanied the ministers during the visit. During the visit, the minister inspected the ongoing repair works along 𝐺𝐕-Tipai-Mukh Road. The minister and his team also inspected 𝐺𝐕𝐈 Sports Complex located at Vidyanagar and the inter-village roads in 𝐺𝐕𝐈 this morning before leaving the district. Speaking to media persons after the inspection, Minister Govindas Konthoujam said, He and his teams interacted with Manipuris residing at Kasar after their arrival at Silchar airport yesterday. Stating that the inspection visit was carried out under the supervision of the Chief Minister, Govindas noted that the district still lacks infrastructures in some fields, stating further that efforts are being made to acclimatize sportspersons of Manipur in Jiribam to help them adjust to warm climatic conditions. He said the same will soon be translated into actions after submitting a report to the Chief Minister. He also assured that GT road will be black-topped before March next year.
Manipur ki economy fagalhan sahib tarage de honorable chief minister ki wakanda Jiribam amasung more sida koi khara concentrate tawa hena darkar taba aduna walahuriba akoi infrastructure sing district headquarter ojaraga su yam nauna oibanina awat apa mayam ama leba infrastructure sing se yeng sinanaba ministerial team ama chairman aduga honorable MLA sing akoi mayam si thajin birakoni Jiribam se lakan bibane koi si to jiriti paimo ro simasu koi yeng jare portion amadi yamna working season sida koi athu matam do loisin mangamgani haibagi thajab ama leijai aduga walahuriba infrastructure sing so newly created district sing gi infrastructure sembatpagi program da koi haplaga same nanaba honorable Chief Minister Wakalonda Levi Vanina, a report of a submit or development Kayama, a queen Santi, Tek Lakaga, Koi Propong, when I have a gay set for Hazavama, Honorable Chief Minister Levi Matumina, Koi Pomsta, Laksab.
Irate residents of Thoubal district stormed Thoubal DC office over the sudden transfer of Thoubal district SP Sachidananda Soibam and appointment of IPS Rakesh Balwal as the new SP yesterday. The irate crowd protested in front of the DC office gate demanding revocations of the transfer order. Upon receiving the information that the new SP had assumed charge at Manipur Police Headquarters, large number of people of the district gathered at Thoubal Mela Ground and Khangabok around 2 p.m. yesterday. Additional district police personnel were deployed in the area to control the situation. Later on, learning that new SP Rakesh Balwal had gone to the report to Thoubal DC office, the people stormed the DC office gate and protested by blocking half of National Highway number 102. Later, 10 representatives were selected from the protesters and met Thoubal DC Ahanthem Subhas to discuss the issue. Following the meeting, the crowd dispersed from the area around 5:30 p.m. Speaking to media in connections with the issue, Merapai maintained that the residents of Thoubal will not accept the transfer of SP Sachidananda Soibam and the appointment of a non-Manipuri as the new SP. Stating that the Merapaibis do not know Hindi or English, she urged the authority to not appoint who will have trouble communicating with the Merapaibis amid the crisis.
English one basu hajadi aduna ai iram dam sigi ira isa sigi lugli hauna jaba hauji hauji buru bata fama sida ai koi ga wari wata thana jabada nungai ga daba am khallaga thambiyo haibagi khungjangni aduna mayang machadi thambiga nu ron phauna ba amba haibadi mayam sigi irang parang lakpa matamda ai koi ga wari wata tathok tasin tawmina ba ya ba am thambiyo sini ai koi na sarkar gi mai ga hajari ba aduki damakta aikona masi tawiganu haibagi yaningde haibaga loinana Thoubal district apunba nupi mayam amasung kaithial ima ibel sing yauna lekai punamakna dindona mafam sida aikona lejari basi.
After a hiatus for some time, Kuki militants yet again started to launch guns and bombs attacks on Meitei village around 10 a.m. last morning at Phuvala Maning in Bishnupur district, causing terror among people working in the fields in the area. On the other hand, security forces yesterday restricted farmers from working at high canal paddy fields. However, due to the inclement weather, the farmers rushed to the paddy fields to thresh their paddies using engines. As the farmers were threshing the paddies, a bomb was fired towards the paddy fields around 2:15 in the afternoon. However, fortunately, no one was injured in the attack. The farmers lamented that they are working by putting their lives at stake, while the security force personnel deployed in the area have no words of encouragement, nor do they protect and any security to the farmers, they decried. Indian Army and Ex-Servicemen's Association, FUBALA, presented sweaters and blankets to internally displaced persons taking shelters at relief camp opened at FUBALA High School in Bishnupur district. Later, they also presented winter clothing to IDPs belonging to 14 families taking shelter at Sunusifai Upper Primary School relief camp through volunteers of the relief camp. When the army personnel asked the IDPs to share the grievances, a woman said that the government provides their basic necessities, however, maintained that they want to return to their own homes and live in the comforts of their own homes. She appealed to the authority to make arrangements to make them return to their homes. The army personnel responded that the situation will improve and encourage the IDPs to bear a little longer. Laitongban Abe Chanu, aged 28, hailing from Kaino Tongkha Mamang Laikai, has been grappling with the challenges of kidney failure for the past 4 years, sustaining her life through regular dialysis treatments. Responding to Abe Chanu's poignant plea for assistance, the KNTL demonstrated a commendable display of compassion, stepping forward to extend a much-needed helping hand. Not only did they provide her with essential clothing, but they also contributed a substantial sum of 30,000 rupees to help her with the financial burden associated with her medical journey. The family of Laitongban Abe Chanu, aged 28, and battling kidney failure for the past 4 months, had sold all their lands to finance her extensive medical treatments. Despite facing the financial strain of Abe Chanu's prolonged medical journey, her parents, in a poignant gesture, sought to secure a portion of their land for her younger brother's future, even if she were to pass us away. Understanding the gravity of the circumstances, KNTL is urgently calling for financial assistance to support Abe Chanu's ongoing and upcoming medical treatments. Let's take a quick break.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Chanu, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loy na hinglibasing tamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tamagi manungda hantaba ngamle. Kong hamanungay tebasu numit mga naging manungda fahan bangamle. Pile sabadi musang nabasu jama na jama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu tamagi manungda fagathan bangamle. Pumnamak natural oy ba hida makalna laing jabani. Hagjang na sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak jabagi mathosu tararoy. Hena kumaparol gidamak ngasimak Lemsin Biro, Diabetes Hospital, Soibam Laikai, Ayampali Road, opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital, Porompat, Imphal East, near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Now the sports news. Rising Union Club Khangabok Part 3, Makalaikai organized a felicitation program for Cyclone Nancy Rose, who bagged bronze medal in fencing at the 37th National Games 2023. Speaking on the occasion, said that Nancy Rose, who is the daughter of Saikom Manau and Saikom Ongbi Indra, has not only brought laurels to the state, but it is also a proud moment for the state. They also gave their best wishes for our future endeavors. It may be mentioned that Nancy Rose also bagged bronze and gold in junior and senior categories in the recently held 19th Governors Cup State Level Fencing Championship organized by Manipur Fencing Association at SAINERC Takyelpat. She also clinched silver medal at the Asian Fencing Junior and Cadet Championship 2022 held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Khwairambon Kaitel Nupi Lukmai Selup demands handing over of unified command to Chief Minister N. Birain, warns of launching agitations if demand not fulfilled. Efforts on to acclimatize sportspersons of Manipur at Jiwi, says Yas Minister Govindas Konfosam. And National Games fencing bronze medalist Nancy Rose felicitated at Kangabalk. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.